Hi everyone, welcome to this enlightening conversation with Beena Kullup, a light and distance healing practitioner who specializes in Prana Violet Healing, Reiki, and energy balancing. In this episode, Beena takes us inside the fascinating world of Prana Violet Healing, revealing the tools, techniques, and spiritual principle behind this powerful energy practice. You'll learn how prana energy, combined with sacred instruments like the forgiveness affirmations and healing wand, can cleanse negative vibrations, restore harmony, and help you connect deeply with your inner self. Whether you're new to energy healing or simply curious about how light and intention can transform your life, this conversation will open your heart and expand your understanding of healing energy. Let's begin this journey into prana violet healing with Beena Kullup. How are you, Beena?
Hey Sid, I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm actually happy to catch up with you once again, and I hope you actually enjoyed last week's chat.
I did, and I had such positive response for it, and thank you for the exposure.
You're most welcome. All right. My opening question to you is, for those hearing about it for the first time, what exactly is prana violet healing, and how does it differ from other energy healing, and what methods are used?
Prana Violet healing is no touch healing. There's no contact. There's no medicine. We work with your prana. Prana is your life force energy. In Chinese, they call it chi, which is light. In Japanese, they call it ki. And, in Indian philosophy, it's regarded as prana. Prana is your breath. It's your life force energy. So all the healing uh, that I do connects to you.
All right. Can you explain the principle of prana? How does this life force energy work to cleanse and heal the body and mind?
What we do is we have forgiveness affirmations. There's a forgiveness book, and we start with forgivenesses. The first thing you need to do is forgive yourself, because sometimes we carry so many stuck emotions in our bodies, and it's because of our belief systems, our upbringing, our environment, and that what causes us pain and hurt. Nobody from the external can cause you pain or hurt you. It's how you receive, what's been said to you, and if you take it personally, it becomes an emotional block, and then a mental block, and then it starts to manifest in your body that causes discomfort in the body. So with prana violet healing, we help you to neutralize that. We work with the different layers of the body, the physical layer, the mental layer, your astral layers, your emotional layers, your spiritual layers. So we have many layers in our body. Yet when you look at a person, you just see the person.
All right. What are some of the main tools used in prana violet healing, and how do they help in channeling or amplifying energy?
The person must be, committed to receive the healing, because it
Mhm.
can't be given, it has to be taken. It starts with the intention, and then we start with the forgiveness affirmations. Then we would cleanse your aura and balance your body. It's a technique called Ida Pingala. It balances the right side of your body, which is your Pingala Nadi, and the left side of your body, which is called the Ida Nadi, and then balance the centermost of your body, which we call the Shushumana. And then from there, if the person say, I've got a pain on my shoulder, my right shoulder, you could say to the person, touch your right shoulder, and then I would use the wand and instruct the wand to blaze away, burn away, and disintegrate all the pain in, for example, Siddharth's right shoulder. You can touch the shoulder. Also, and then you say to the person, we're starting the healing. If the pain is sitting at number 10, as I progress, tell me as it's releasing what number it comes to. So you reach 0 and the person's shoulder is pain free. We also have a technique where we cleanse your aura, and then we cleanse the aura of your physical body, your energy body. your mental bodies, your astral bodies, your emotional bodies, and your spiritual bodies. And we balance your body at that 6 levels as well.
All right. Most people have seen the wand used during healing sessions. Could you share how these tools are applied and what makes them so special?
All the wands are programmed, and you can heal
Mhm,
people for different illnesses and illnesses. Like you can see, there's the clear wand,
mhm,
then there's a pink wand. You would use
mhm,
that mainly for female issues and ladies. Then
mhm,
you've got the purple wand that you could use as a general wand and on men. You can set these three together and you can use the three wands together. But the clear wand has got to be on the top, and then the colors at the bottom. Then we have the red wand. This wand is used only for cancer patients to help heal all the cancer cells in their body. But if somebody is not feeling well and I don't have the other colored one, then I can use this red one to heal them as well. But it is programmed mainly for cancer healing.
All right. How important is intention and focus during a prana violet healing session, both for the healer and the receiver?
It's important because everything starts with the intention. The intention is your thoughts, your desires, your action. So your thought would be, I want to be healed. The desire is to be healed. So the action would come from me as the healer, focusing on where energy is trapped or illness is trapped, and then I would focus in that area so that I can help neutralize cords, or even if it's white magic or dark energy, you help to heal the physical, emotional, and mental issues. And then some people have blocks, like employment blocks, money blocks, and we use the one as well to remove blocks as well. Like lots of people battle even
Mhm.
with relationship blocks. We help improve that as well.
All right. Are there specific techniques or hand movements that practitioners follow to balance or remove negative energy from the body?
Yes, first we will sense the person to see if there's energy stuck in that body. We would sense their aura. And then
Mhm.
you turn the one around, you would hold the square in between your fingers, and then I would say, I am now sensing the aura of Siddharth's uh, throat chakra. For example, first I'll sense your aura, and then I
Mhm.
would sense your chakras to see if there's any blockages. If there's blockages, then we need to read the forgiveness and then check again and then heal that area.
Wow. Can prana violet healing be used for emotional and mental healing, not just physical ailments? If so, how does it help release emotional blockages?
They it helps remove emotional blockages, because you need to understand emotional blockages come from thought forms and your belief system. And then it creates an emotion of anger or irritation, anxiety, panic attacks, depression. So then we would say healing won't become as powerful as required to heal and condition. So thus, Ajna chakra, crown chakra, backhead chakra, left and right temple chakras, and then we would go 1, 2, 3, stop, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, stop, 1, 2, 3. And you would find a release in your body. You would say, oh, I can feel this and I feel that. And that's how we work with you to go through the layers. And then also we would instruct the one to go through your physical layers, mental layers, your emotional layers, and go through it.
All right. What are some common experiences or sensations people feel during, after a prana violet healing session?
Most of the people become so relaxed, pain free, and some of them even fall off to sleep. I've even heard some of my clients snore whilst I'm healing them.
Mhm. All right. If for someone who wants to start their journey with prana violet healing, what training or practice would you recommend?
Like the founder of Prana Violet Healing is Dr. Siva P. He's got a
Okay.
PhD and he travels all over the world. He's
Hmm.
been coming to South Africa for the past 4 years and he spends like 3 to 4 days max in Durban. Then he spends around the same time in Johannesburg. He goes to Cape Town, sometimes he goes to PE. This year he came to Durban, he went to PE, he went to Johannesburg, he went to Swaziland. So, depending on his program and time, he gives us certain numbers of days that he runs workshop. Anybody can learn to do prana violet healing, and then they can start to heal themselves, heal their families, or become a healer. Like I attended his workshop, I attended the teacher training that he offered, and then I can train other people to use prana violet healing. And then he's got a diploma course, which I did as well and passed my diplomas with him as well. So, you can take it to higher levels. And from doing the diploma course, everything's online. And you can do your degree as well in prana violet healing, alternate medicine, no touch.
All right. My final question to you is, finally, could you share a personal story or memorable healing experience that truly shows the power of prana violet healing?
Last night around 8 o'clock, I
Hmm.
had an unknown number call me. First, I
Uh-huh.
didn't answer it because, some people prank you as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
They tried the first time, they tried the second time. On the third time, I answered the call. This man was frantic on the line. His wife is so sick. She was in hospital for a week and she couldn't get help and she was on morphine. The pain was so bad.
Mhm.
They said she had an issue with the gallbladder. The surgeon wanted to remove it, but the physician said no, there's like mucus spotting around the gallbladder, there's no gallstones. And they discharged her because there was no further treatment that they were giving her, just very strong pain meds. When they called me, I started to heal that area, open up the
Mhm.
chakras at the solar plexus point, and then I did a full healing for her. When I finished, there was no pain. The swelling and inflammation, she said, started to go down. While she was on the call with me, she managed to have some cereal. She drank it because prior to that she couldn't eat. And she felt, but by the end of her treatment, it took like a full hour, but she felt so much lighter, relaxed. And she also said she feels as if she can get some sleep now.
All right. All I got to say, thanks so much for your time and look forward to the next one.
Thank you so much. And thank you for having me. Bye.